No, 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 this is bad. This is really bad. There is a puddle forming under me. I'm leaking, help, help.
Milk, relax. It's just a small crack. We'll patch you up in no time. Stop panicking.
A small crack? It's a disaster. What if I run out completely? I can't just drip away like this. Help! Help! Help me! Yeah, drama queen, as usual. Typical of Milk.
I'm the one people should be reaching for, not some sugary, carbonated nonsense.
Oh, please, Broccoli. You think you're so special, right? What would people do without tomatoes? We are literally in everything. Exactly! We are so versatile. No one's cooking without us. Soups, salads, sauces.
Raw protein gains, baby. You want muscles? You need us.
Spread me on toast, pancake, anything. I'm sweet, delicious and healthy.
Jam, please. You are sugar in a jar. No one needs you. No one's getting healthy eating you. Stop pretending.
I've got more vitamin C than you, Lemon. No one ever talks about that. But I'm a real deal in nutrition. Nice try, Peppa. I'm literally symbol of vitamin C. People don't squeeze a pepper into their water, do they? Excuse me? I'm worth the wait. I'm a real treat here. Look at all of them. They're just squabbling over everything. We are just here, the real champs, right, sis?
Don't you know, bump it up? You've got to bump it up.
Right, natural sweetness, looking good. We don't even need to argue.